Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll try to explain you guys the concept of UML state machines. So I have an example of the UML diagram over here for the gate control system. So let me try to explain it to you guys. So here, this is our initial state, okay, and every time you have like a double circle, so that means that is your final state. So just remember, this is the initial state, this is the final state, okay. So the initially we are starting from here, okay, and then we're going here, and we're as soon as we enter, we're going to check whether the guard is this is known as the guard, okay. So we're going to check whether the guard is true or not. If the guard is true, then we're going to perform this action, okay. So the action is denoted by this slash sign. Every time you see this slash sign, that means we're going to perform this actions, okay. So if the guard is true, if there is a vehicle approaching, so we're going to lift the gate, okay. So we're going to lift the gate as soon as the vehicle approaches. So and then after performing the action, we're going to transition to the next state, okay. I hope you're understanding. Entering into the initial state, checking whether the guard is true or not. If it's true, performing the action and transitioning to the next state, okay. So once we transition to the next state, what's the next step? Again, we're going to check the guard, okay. So this is our guard over here. We're going to check whether the vehicle left or not. So the vehicle left, we're going to lower the gate, okay. So I think they ran out of space, so they just wrote the action over here instead of here, but here because of the slash, it is an action, okay. So they're going to check the guard. If when the guard is true, they're going to lower the gate, which is performing an action, and as soon as the action is performed, we're going to transition to the next state, which is the closed state, and then finally we're going to transition to the final state, and that completes our gate control system. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just told you guys, if you have slash and something, so that is an action, right? And that's how we write action in most cases. However, you guys need to make sure that action can also be written in the form of a rectangle, okay. So you can also write, for example, you're approaching the vehicle, that is a guard. So then you're going to perform this action, which is represented by a rectangle, okay. So you're going to perform this action and then transition to the next state, and again check the guard and perform this action and transition to the next state. So yeah, just remember that actions can also be written in the form of a rectangle. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to explain you guys the event processing. And for that, first you guys have to know the state behavior of this. Okay, let's just do this in the next part. So check out the next part for this.